Good morning. I wanted to talk to you about the assignment. There seemed to be a lot of confusion, and I made some notes. Okay, if you go into Blackboard, there's a chart there, and it shows you what groups do what. So let me go over this. Groups or teams 1, 3, 5, and 7. You were to have completed a video submission of your case study. And then you did two things with that. One is you uploaded it to Gradebook, and there was a video that showed you the two links. You had two ways to do that. Then the other way was, the other thing you had to do was you had to go into discussion board, create a link, and then title your video so that the teams would know whose video was what so that they could watch it. So teams 1, teams 3, 5, and 7. You should have posted your videos in the discussion board as a new post and entitled it so people would know what it was, and the teams then would be able to ask you questions. Teams 2, 4, 6, and 8 have an assignment due September the 13th, and that is they are going to watch the video and then they are going to solve it. So team 2, you're watching team 1's video. Team 4, you're watching team 3's. Team 6, you're watching team 5's, and team 8, you're watching team 7's. So teams 2, 4, 6, and 8, go in and see if those videos are in there and if you can find them. If not, you need to let me know or remember that team. What I probably need to do is post a list of all of the teams and who's in what team. And that way you'll know who to contact, because I'm not sure you have access to the teams, and I want to make sure that you have that. So that's one thing I could do, is that I could list the teams. But if you are team 1, 3, 5, and 7, and you have not submitted your video, you need to get that video on there immediately, because the other teams are looking for it, and they needed a week to be able to write up their summary of how they were going to solve that. So this should take care of the directions. And when I go into Blackboard, I'll try to make that clearer. I mean, you think you do, and you think people understand it, but let me go back into Blackboard and see if I can somehow strengthen that with more clarity so that it's understandable. But at this point, that should clarify things. I'm going to go into the discussion board today, and I'm going to look and see if there's any missing videos. I had a group say that there was a missing video. But please make sure that it really is missing, that you know which one you're supposed to be completing. So anyway, good luck with that. Once we get through the first one, it will smooth out and it'll be a walk in the park. It's like this, actually it's like this at the beginning of every course whenever you have something kind of different or unique. You're not just doing a paper and submitting it. You're very engaged in the course, and you've got to figure out all this stuff. So anyway, hopefully this will take care of it, and you'll be all set.